Hey everyone, so as you can see, I finally got the iPad that I was talking about in a previous video. I was talking about moving away from the Android tablets and going back to the iPad. So after carefully looking over all the iPads that Apple has to offer, I decided to go with the iPad Pro. Okay, so I decided to go with the iPad Pro because it gives me a little bit more flexibility. It uses a USB-C port versus the regular Lightning port that Apple usually use on their other iPads. So with this USB-C port now, I can plug in stuff like a USB drive to offload storage back and forth. Now if you can't tell, this one is the iPad Pro and this is the 11-inch. I looked at the 12.9 inches, but it was a little bit too big. And for portability, this one suits me better. So this one comes with 256 gigabytes of storage. So that will be plenty enough for me to do my stuff that I need to do on it. So as you can see, there's basically just that in the box. You know, you got some paperwork, and then you got the power adapter and the cable and the iPad itself. Now I did get some accessory for this iPad. It's not the kind that Apple has to offer, some third-party ones, but they're gonna suit me well. First, I got a cover for the back so I can protect the back from any damages, because there's cutouts for the camera and all. And this is gonna snap onto it easily to protect the back from any damages. Just like that. So there it is. And it's got rubber around the edges, so you know it's going to reduce the damage to the iPad itself. And then also I got a screen protector. Now I like to get these kind of screen protector that's hard glass, so it's like tempered glass screen protector. And I usually get the one that says 9H because that's the thickness in the glass. It's breakable, but if it breaks, it doesn't damage the screen. And I've been using them on my phone for years and other tablets that I've owned. And it doesn't affect the touch sensitivity of the device that I put it on, so that I'm not worried about. So I always get some type of screen protector, and this is the kind I usually get. I skipped over the pencil and the keyboard for now because I don't see myself using it at this moment. Maybe sometime down the road I will, but for now, the iPad by itself is fine. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to make an updated video to let you know what I decided I was going to get when I said I was going to switch from the Android tablet back to the iPad. So now you know I went with the 11-inch iPad Pro, and this is what I'll be using for who knows how long. And I did get a good deal on this one, so I just couldn't pass it up. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. I'm not going to go through the step-by-step procedure of setting up this iPad because if you've seen the iPad setup before, you've seen them all. So there's no real difference on them. And if you own an iPad, you already know how to set it up. So I'm just going to skip past all of that. So I'm just going to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.